Got the new humidifier hooked up. Newton is loving it. He always hangs out right beneath it. So I basically got this tube. It's going to this setup here. You see the water droplets, they kind of drop down, and he gets a constant watering. And then I've got his sprinkler right there that feeds into the bucket. Some Daft Punk poster, what's up? But I got a little like a computer fan hooked up to a power cord, blowing inward, hence blowing the vapor out into there. Newton's chilling. Had him outside today, and he loved it. So I'm gonna build a little screen cage, actually a large screen cage, outside, so I can bring him out there and let him hang out. Pretty cool. But yeah, so there it is. This cage is friggin' awesome. I plan on actually getting this is the large Exoterra screen cage. I actually plan on getting the extra large one for him and moving him into a different room. The 3 lights that I have for him, you can't see them both. I got 2 are on a timer. One in the middle is not. So I got one back here. It's a mercury vapor. I think it's 100 watt, and that's just a basking bulb, UVB. But this guy's a full spectrum, obviously. In combination with the mercury vapor, he gets really good UVB and A. It's definitely hot in here, so that's my point. This is my room. I sleep in here, and as you can imagine, it's pretty humid and hot. So I got that, and of course I got Lucy in her small cage. I'm not going to get close to her because she really doesn't like the camera. But that's her butt right there. She's pretty, but I don't want to piss her off, so I'm not going to. And then that's Dad to the baby leopard gecko hatchlings. He is awesome. He is huge, and he eats like a champ. I don't mind his cage. It needs to be cleaned. He just dug a bunch of dirt out for me. But he's got a little moist hide and a little dry hide in there. I plan on getting him in a cooler tank or something, because this is kind of boring. But female cage also needs to be cleaned out tonight, but she's in her dry hide right now. I'm not trying to mess with her because I think she's got 2 more eggs, and I'm not wanting to bother her. So again, I got a pothos plant and an umbrella plant. As you can see by the top, I've had to cut that sucker back like a lot, probably a good dozen, maybe 15 times. But it just keeps growing and doing well. Apparently the lights are doing well, and he's right next to a window. I know that gets filtered out somewhat, but it's still growing pretty well, and he's not showing any signs of MBD or anything like that, so he's doing pretty well. I feed him dubias, crickets, superworms, hornworms, silkworms when I can get them, and I'd make, I'd breed all my own stuff, so I'm feeding them with Vionate and some other calcium supplements. And they, since I used the Vionate, since I started using that, a lot of the colors have started coming out on every one of my animals. So apparently Vionate is the way to go. Thank you, Ron Trimper. Yeah, there it is, man. I'll get another video or 20 when I feed him again. Probably get a nice fat dubia for him tomorrow, or 3. Later.